Okay, good day. How are you doing? Super excited. How is your day going? And really excited. It's been good. I posted this trade on the Instagram group, which is also on our mentorship platform, the institutional trading concept. And I just wanted to give you guys an update of the journey. If you really understand the place of um, supply and demand movement, basically you want to make sure the market comes into your zone. And if you are also uh, a smart trader, you want to be able to find a way to reduce your risk, which is just what we do in the group. So this is what exactly what we're expecting. I think this is a bit, yeah, that's it. So this is exactly what we're expecting on the AUD Euro card, even on the card pairs generally. So if we come to the group, sorry, the higher time frame, you will see that the market is actually reacting around the supply zone, okay, the demand zone, with a drop based rally. And we also have another one here on daily, which is also another what drop based rally. So the market has been printing more of lows if you come to 1 hour. So a lot of traders pick their entries here. Okay. Now I don't have issues with that. I only have, from my experience, I always want to see the clarity, okay, that the market is ready to go up. Okay. I want to be sure that the market is ready to go up. So while it's printing more lows or lower time frame, you want to make sure that the either you're using, we will have what is called risk entry, which is what I don't recommend, is you entering at these spots. Okay. Okay. But if you're going in on the if you're going in on the okay, so this is how it was posted on the group. If you're going in instantly, which is what I don't recommend, I recommend you just stay away and play safe. Okay. So I posted it today. I was expecting the move during the New York section. Also, it also has to come during the New York section, during the JPY session, okay, which is still not clear yet. Okay. So right now the market has been printing lower lows. Okay. And the more it's printing lower lows, the more you don't want to jump in. So what you will do, which is what I'm expecting, is that the market need to give us at least a break of structure. So if I change to line chart or I use the normal candle pattern, this becomes my break of interest, break of structure, which will approve that this point of interest is powerful. And if the point of interest is not powerful, you would not see it. Now, sometime a lot of traders also go as far as 5 minutes, you know, to see the Wyckoff approval. But for a lot of time, I don't use Wyckoff, except I just want to get an extreme sniper entry. Okay, but I want to be able to hold this trade for a very long time. So I want to see some real momentum. Okay, I want to see some real momentum. So if you go even to as far as 15 minutes, you can see that even to this level, it kept on printing more. Okay, so this is 1 hour break of structure. This is 15-minute break of structure. This is 15-minute break of structure. So if there's a break of structure here, it approves that this place is tradable on 15 minutes. Okay, and if you're going in on 15 minutes, that means your take profit will be up here, because you don't want to trade it and go and get locked in. So if you enter this trade here, with this you can still have a good 1 to 6 pips trade. Okay, but I told you I don't like I want to be I'm a swing trader, so I hold trades for long. I hold trades for long. So I want this market to at least give me a 30-minute break of structure, which I'm already seeing the sign. Okay. This is also a drop based run, a drop based drop. So this is also a break of structure here. So the market can come in here and we're going to be good to go. But before I even go in at every point in time, I want to also use my correlation. That's part of our checklist on the ITC. So I want to be able to see the same or nearest in behavior of the positive correlation or negative correlation. Okay, and you guys can see that we have a drop based drop here which has not been removed. So that means that if CAD pair need to go up, I want to see it on UCAD, I want to see it on ECAD, I want to see it on CAD JPY. Okay, so if I go to CAD JPY, which is a sell pattern I'm expecting, I still expect this guy to come up into this place before I will talk about selling. Okay, so when it comes into this place, then I will look for the same break of structure. I'll look for liquidity, then I'll look for section and correlation. Then I can swing in and go. So right now we're still not ready for the CAD JPU, the CAD pair trade. However, is in the zone. Okay, and when it's in the zone, that does not mean you should jump in, or that does not mean you should shoot. It only means get ready. Okay, and get ready does not mean get ready does not mean going now. Okay, so you want to understand what the market how the market behaves, because I've seen a lot of traders, all they do is when the market comes into their point of interest, they jump in, and which is not a bad idea. Okay, but for me, I recommend that you want to see a higher time frame break of structure. We have liquidity by the left here already, which is also at the low. Okay, so I want the market to come up, breathe out of this move, and we are good. So CAD JPY is not CAD pairs are not ready, okay, to exchange the move. But once they are ready, if you're not on the Telegram group, make sure you check in the link below to be on that group. Okay, and today we caught Euro JPY, Euro GBP. It played with our emotion a bit, but you need to understand how the market works basically. Okay, so the market came into our point of interest here, drop base rally. Okay, this happened last week, but I do tell our team, you don't jump in every trade. Okay, you don't jump in every trade. So it went up and created a what? Created an equal high here. And 90% of the time, when an equal high returns a trade to the demand zone, it becomes so powerful. So right now the market is actually here on this move. We have a break of structure that approved this place. We have several liquidity here, several liquidity grabs. So this is the new one. So from here on this level, I'll be ready to shoot for a buy. I'm already in this buy trade. Okay, I picked it on an extreme, very low. Okay, and one of the things we also recognize on the group, on the ITC mentorship group, is round numbers. Okay, round numbers are very, very powerful. So at this 5,8,500, the market is ready should be ready. Okay, normally as it is, is ready to shoot up. Shoot up. Okay, shoot up. So with this, if you go to 15 minutes or 30 minutes, you see a break of structure that has happened earlier before. This break of structure happened before, and this brought the trade back to the entry point. So I remember I dropped this on our Discord group. On our Discord group, yes. So I dropped it on our Discord group on 1 minute. Okay, it was a 1 minute entry. It was a daily demand, 1 hour, all of that. Okay, so I dropped it on that, and we're good. So it came into our entry. So right now, we're still holding it. We strongly believe it will go up. Strongly believe it will go up. All conditions are met. So that does, even if it comes to hit stop loss or break even or something, it has met our goal, and that's basically what we do in the group. So we still expect this to push up to the next, since it's on demand zone, we expect it to push up to the next supply. You get that? Push up to the next supply, and that should be an average of 1 to 20 risk reward. Yeah, 1 to 24 risk reward. Okay. I also posted on the group GBP JPY. Okay. GBP JPY came into the rally based drop, and from there I dropped it on the group that we needed a lower time frame confirmation. Okay, and which has happened already here. So it happened here, and I also dropped that on the group, and we have amazing guys. Look at this guy, we have amazing guys that that are really crushing it in the group here. So this was before it happened. Okay, before it happened. So already it has done more than it has done more than 1 to 6. So wisdom demands that everybody should have broke even. Okay, and allow it to drop. Another trade that we entered this week that is really paying off is huge GCHF. Okay, it came into the rally based drop, and we had a 50% approach here. And from 60% approach, I remember I told them on the group that we'll be looking for a huge drop of that to the next available demand zone here. Okay, so we have a long way to go on GCHF. So on 30 minutes, we needed to see a break of structure, which eventually happened. So we had a break of structure here at the low, broke that demand level, and the market dropped and went back up. So the entry was actually 50% of this move. Okay, it was actually 50% of this move, and that was about a 8 pip stop loss. 8 pip stop loss. Currently, yesterday it gave us 1 to 8. It's still working around 1 to 7, and since we picked it from daily time frame, so we need to move this to minimum this level. That's the daily supply, daily demand that we have here. Okay, it's also wisdom that you do some protection here because there's already a demand here, but I see that place broken because it's a rally based rally, so this is already reacting for a buy here, but it should be a short one because this is on a weekly. Okay, still daily. Okay, so daily, so you have to protect your capital here, but this will be our TP, and a trader has given you 1 to 7, 1 to 7, 1 to 8. You should have taken good profit and protect the rest so you can have the ride to the 1 to 48 pips, 1 to 48 risk reward. So with 1 to 48 risk reward, you're good. So the trade I'm still holding on currently is GCHEF, um, GJ. I'm holding GJ. I'm currently holding Euro GBP, all in good profit for the week. So I could close everything tomorrow. Okay, and or I hold it. It's my money. Just know how to do it yourself. That's it. So another one. So we're still waiting. Okay, patient is the game. We're still waiting for card pair. We're waiting for Euro card, and we're waiting for E card. Once we see that confluence, you guys can shoot. You can make good money for yourself. Okay. Congratulations to everyone that came in on my birthday promo for you to join the institutional trading platform where we have all this training in there. And for those who are not aware of my birthday, it was last week Sunday. We had a great time. Okay. And if you have not watched my interview on Arise News, go watch it. Okay. So you still have till 31st to enjoy the discount. If you want to learn how we rock and roll in the institutional trading concept, you feel free. You can come in on 50% discount. That's for my birthday. And on 31st, it goes back to its $1,000 and $2,000. So if you're really, really good, ready, you can shoot us a mail. And for those that want to join the crypto group have been crazy. Have been crazy, very, very crazy. Like I posted on the group, you know, uh, on the Telegram group, you know. So today I announced people to buy on the crypto group. We announced people to buy Loom, and we bought Loom this morning, like this morning, 29th, this morning, and it gave us 50% in 24 hours, in less than 24 hours. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. So if you want to be there, it's more of an investment group. You trade, we check all the conditions, we give it out. Our goal is 50%, 100%, and then in 6 months, in 1 year. That's our goal. And it's been really, really amazing for those, we have crazy testimonials that are that are on the group. Crazy, like crazy guys. you know, I also we gave AXS USD on the crypto group, and that this man said he made 300% in less than 3 weeks. Currently, this particular asset has done over 2,000%. Okay, so that's why I tell people is crypto trading or crypto investing is not a get rich quick scheme. You need to make sure you are patiently waiting. Okay, patiently waiting. So we call this trade around 148. 148. This was it at this demand zone. 148. And it met our condition. And right now, guys, that's over 3,000%. If you go in on $100, that is 3,600. If you go in on $1,000, that is a 36,000 profit. If you go in on a $10,000, that is a 360,000 return on investment. Okay, but it's an investment. You just have to really study it and be patient with it. So it's not a get rich quick. You have to be patient. Now imagine the waiting period, guys. The waiting period for this asset is more than we went in first week in February or last week in February. You know, till now that's more than 5 months, more than 4 5 months. Okay, so we're still waiting. But I've told everyone to take some profit because if you're holding it for 5 years, good. But if you're not, take some profit and let's go. So for those that want to be in on the two offers I have for people for my birthday, don't forget it's going to end on the 31st. And I'll talk to you guys soon. And if you're not on the free group, if you can't afford it right now, join the free group. attend my weekly free training for you 3 times a week for free. Okay, so you need to live your life part time. If you can afford it, you get it. If you can't afford it, build up. Keep acquiring the knowledge so that when the opportunity comes for you to get involved, you're already ready. You're trained enough to take the right decision. Okay, that'll be all for today. My name remains Mayowa Owolabi. I'll see you guys some other time. Make sure you study, get the knowledge, and play smart in the financial market. I remain Africa's most sought after financial coach, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye for now.